In this video, I am going to show you how can we find rank in overall and section-wise. Most often we need that. If we have a large data of school students with their name, class, or section and marks, probably we need to find out the overall rank and ranks in each class. Finding out overall rank is easy, but how can find out section-wise rank, or class-wise rank, or ranks in each section? Let's check it here. See, this is name column, this class column. Here is their marks. In the next column, we have found their overall rank using rank function. I think it's easy and no need to explain. In the last column, I have found their ranks in each class. Look, these shaded rows are the students in 8th class. I have found the first rank among them here. I have found the first ranks of every class separately here. Let's now check what is the formula. I used here the Countifs function. Next, it's the range of marks with $. Then the criteria. That's greater than this mark. Next, I add another criteria also. That is the range of class with $. Then it's criteria that's the student's class. Then bracket close. Then add one. Then drag and fill in next cells. That's all. I have given the formula in first comment. And the downloadable link of work file in description box. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.